Welcome to our exploration of the tale of Genji, the world's first novel, written over 1,000 years ago. Join us as we uncover its timeless story of love, intrigue, and human emotion. The tale of Genji was penned by Murasaki Shikibu, a lady in waiting in the Heian court of Japan around 1021 AD. It's a sprawling epic in 54 chapters, following the life of Prince Genji, a charismatic figure based on real historical events. This work predates European novels by centuries and offers a window into 11th century Japanese society, where poetry, romance, and politics intertwined. The story begins with Genji's birth to Emperor Kiritsubo and his rise as a favored prince. Exiled for political reasons, he navigates love affairs, rivalries, and tragedies. Key characters include his wife Aoi, his true love Murasaki, and his son Kaoru. The tale explores Genji's descendants, blending romance with Buddhist themes of impermanence. It's not just a biography, it's a tapestry of court's life, from cherry blossom festivals to ghostly encounters. As its core, the tale of Genji delves into themes like the fleeting source nature of beauty and life, inspired by Buddhism. It critiques caste politics, gender roles, and the pursuit of happiness. Murasaki's sharp observations on human psychology make it remarkably modern. The book influenced Japanese literature, art, and even modern manga, and it's a UNESCO World Heritage Site in manuscript form. So, today, Tale of Genji inspires global readers from scholars to filmmakers. It highlights universal emotions like jealousy and longing, reminding us of history's lessons. If you're intrigued, read a translation or watch an adaptation. It's a journey into the soul of Japan.